I'm here with Neal Weinstock. He is the CEO of Solid Corp, and this is your second HITLAB Summit.
Yes, I was here last year as well.
So tell us about Solid Corp and the idea that you have that you are marching forward.
We have been just blessed to be able to discover brain functionality that allows us low-hanging fruit. It's got a lot of other applications beyond us, some that I don't even realize yet. But the low-hanging fruit of this discovery is that we can give full field sight with good visual acuity to many, many people who are functionally blind right now. We rigorously tested people with macular degeneration and Stargardt disease last year, and were almost uniformly extremely successful. There's so many people now with other conditions as well, optic neuritis, cone rod dystrophy, glaucoma, a bunch of visual issues where people have been able to look into our device, our prototype device, and actually see in a way that they cannot normally. And it's fantastic for us to see this, and I'm in tears sometimes seeing the people who try this who are in tears. And we are rapidly building out our product now, and we will have eyeglasses that correct for macular degeneration and Stargardt sometime very early next year.
How did you know that this was something that could work?
You never know it can work until you really try it, right? But you start out with an intuition and a hunch, and then you say, "Okay, I'm going to make my hypothesis and try and prove it." And you know, it's a long process. Discovery is not a straight line, but there are some rules.
Sure. How long you been at it?
15 friggin' years.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Thought it was not going to be the overnight success. Yeah, an overnight success in a decade and a half. So this journey recently took you to Consumer Electronics Show. And
yes, we showed our beta system, a headset, kind of thick, clunky, but showing what we can do when we get it to the size of normal eyeglasses. It will be about the size of the glasses that I'm wearing now, eventually. The first generation will look kind of like thick, old-fashioned Ray-Ban glasses from the 1950s. There are CAD diagrams on our website that show what we, at that time, thought it would look exactly like. It's a little bit different, different component here, different component there. But anyway, we went to CES with our beta system, and the interest was spectacular. We are told by our public relations people that we got 1.5 billion impressions around the world, people finding out about us. Thousands of people went onto our website. Our CRM system crashed. We had to go to the very top level HubSpot system. Luckily, we were in an accelerator program that gave us a discount on that. Mass Challenge. A lot of thanks to Mass Challenge, which gave us their top award last year. Yes, we did very well at CES.
So how has HITLAB and the Innovator Summit here, how has that helped you in your journey towards your goal?
Well, first of all, 2 years ago, the end of 2023, we won the HITLAB Breakthrough Challenge, which was great publicity in and of itself. It was a tremendous vote of confidence at a very early stage in our being able to show our technology that we won this. I think it's testament to the demand for what we do, the fact that there are so many people who could benefit so much from our technology.
So how quickly can this move for you? I mean, it can't move quickly enough, I'm sure, but do you want to bring a safe, effective, innovative tool that potentially thousands and thousands of people can use, bring that to the market? And
actually billions of people.
Okay. I grossly underestimated, but I was that close. So how soon do do you realistically think you can make this a reality?
We can't make billions of units right away.
Right.
But given the production capability of the companies that are our suppliers for various components and the amount of financing that we have and so on, we think we can make 4,000 pairs of our eyeglasses, which we call Solid Vision, by either the end of this year or the first quarter of next year.
No, it's very interesting. So your discussion topic was breaking through the noise, health tech fundraising strategies, and avoiding time-wasting investors. It's very interesting to me. So what was the main message that you wanted to give to the people assembled about that particular topic?
I don't think we said anything about time-wasting investors. But, there's a lot of things that can waste your time while you're trying to bring out a product. I don't think I'm responsible for that time-wasting investors bit. But I think somebody thought it would attract some more attention, there's just tremendous focus and hard work necessary. And we have this great team of coders and biz dev and salespeople and marketing, and we're all working so hard to get this done. So yeah, it's easy to waste some time, whatever. My message is, be perspicacious. If you have a mission, achieve the mission. And that gives meaning to one's life and one's company and to so many other people's lives. And if you don't have a mission, don't start a company to do that. Mm-hmm. Start a company to achieve something important.
Mm-hmm. So do you feel like, I'm so close, so close? Because as I sit across from you and I listen to your story, I can, and everybody who's watching right now knows that you're in a really good spot, that you have come up with something novel and potentially game-changing for a lot of people. Do you think you have to think about those things from time to time? That has to be what drives you, right?
Oh, absolutely. Well, look, obviously, engineers love building things,
Right.
So I love making toys and it's fun. But yes, we're doing something important that, we're doing something really, really important. And, I thank God all the time that I have this opportunity to help so many people.
Mm-hmm. Well, I appreciate you coming by and sharing the update on your progress, and look forward to hearing really, really big things from you and Solid Corp.
Thank you very much.